Yes, ma'am. Ever since I went blonde, I also was tanner. I worked at a tanning salon. I did spray tanning. I was much tanner than I am at this time. And during that time, I found that my eyebrows kind of disappeared into the back, and I started to dye them, and I liked how it looked. So I'm going to literally show you how I dye my brows. It's not glamorous. It's not anything more than what you think it is. I buy Just for Men the beard dye M30 medium 30. So they give you a developer and the color base. You mix equal parts together, then you put it on your eyebrows and you take it off and they're dyed. That's like literally it. Like you could stop watching. Like there's no point in going on. This came with like a little plastic thing to mix it in, but because I've had this for so long, I'm gonna be using this old mirror. In my head, how I do it is I use half the amount I think I need, and then I double it because I have to use half and half. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if that makes sense to anybody but me. That's probably even too much. And then you take the color base. It's probably not equal parts, but I mean, we'll make it work. If you're into painting, this is like similar to mixing colors. And then I use this very old brush that's from the European Wax Center that the label has been peeled off. Look at me go. It has an angled brush and a spoolie. And then I literally mix it on here. Like this looks horrible. This literally looks so, but you know what? Beauty is pain, and this is the pain. And it will turn like the darkest charcoal-y color, like charcoal brown color ever. And you're gonna freak out that like you f***ed up your whole life, but you didn't, I promise. This is like what happens every time. I was looking at my analytics because I actually care sometimes, and 99.9% of people that watch my videos are not subscribed to me. And that means you, probably you watching this right now, so just do it. I don't know why you're not doing it, just do it. Make me feel better. Don't hurt my feelings. So you can see every pore on my whole life. This is fantastic. I like to kind of brush it up and get it where I want it. And then I kind of just go for it. It's like really not hard, it's gonna fade. Like it's not a big deal. So then I just kind of fluff it in here lightly. If I remember correctly, the box says 10 minutes. I don't know. Please check the box. Don't listen to this video. I take a makeup wipe, which again is not in the instructions. They do not say to use a makeup wipe. A little bit of back and forth action. This is a whole ass vibe. But you can see, it just like does good things. You get the idea. This video didn't need to be made. I just wanted to make it. Kind of thing. My camera battery's dying. If this dies, I'm gonna finish this up on my phone. I put a little more on the end here. I want it to be a little more intense, and then this one is still going. We are in full speed Lightning McQueen mode. This shit's gonna die. So we're just gonna wipe. It's so good. We're gonna finish the reveal on my iPhone camera because girl decided to die, but that's okay. We don't need that negative energy. Let's do this one. And then, sorry, this is not the angle we wanted this whole time, but this is my favorite eyebrow, so I'm a little biased. Like, we're not kidding. This is real freaking life. I hope this was entertaining, educational. I hope you took something away. Mostly being, don't take life so seriously, because it's just hair dye and it'll fade. Your eyebrows are like the shutters to your eyes, which are the window to your soul. So you better have a good brow. Just saying. And good night, good morning. God bless America. Stay tuned for more quarantine content.